Hey everyone, and welcome to our project. We are the DORIS team. This year, we work directly with the DMI to account for the growth in the future, help them understand current needs, as well as strategize what's best for the long-term and short-term future. We did this by using the DORIS process, which is used by DORIS for a majority of clients. The DORIS process went through many iterations, going through what type of data DMI wants to collect, and these meetings really helped get to the root of the problem the DMI was facing. I'll pass it on to Asha to talk about the start of the process.
The first part of the project was the project alignment meeting where we met with the data mine leadership team to align the process and goals of the project, as well as explain the data collection process. The leadership team were asked questions focused on the current state and future vision of the data mine, and based on their answers, a project basics document was prepared. Now I'll pass it on to Mark to explain the data collection process.
For data collection, we collect the data two ways. One was through a usability study where we walked around the workspaces of the data mine and data mine staff and saw how many people were in each space and what they were doing. And the other way was by interviewing data mine staff, students, and TAs and asking them about team culture and barriers to growth and inclusiveness. Now I'll pass it on to Peter to talk about challenge defining.
Yeah, so the challenge defining meeting was a meeting where we presented all of this data that we gathered to the data mine leadership team. So before the meeting, we synthesized all the data into a challenge defining document, and this was given to the attendees. And we shared the data during the meeting, and the leadership engaged in conversations on what they heard during the meeting, with the outcome of the data mine leadership team gaining clarity on the challenges faced and aligned on strategy for the next part of the project. Next, I'll pass it on to Nancy for the solution defining.
With our challenge defined, we want to further discover the possibility of our solutions. The topics discussed for solution are based on growing pains, communication, and inclusivity. So we met the client leadership team with 2 sessions, both virtually and in person, and got the solution defining data. Then we extracted common themes from the discussion. Finally, we prepared our new findings for the final leadership meeting. We used Mura during the brainstorm process and applied qualitative analysis approaches to analyze the solution defining data. I'll pass to Renee about what we learned and our special things.
So in our project, we learned how to collect data qualitatively through efficiency of data collection in a non-disruptive way by the use of spreadsheets for data analysis and visual creation. In the end, we also learned qualitative data analysis, such as coding or finding themes among data that we collected to find a common problem for the solution. We would like to thank Megan Tooman, Jessica Butler, and Maria Meschi. Thank you.